can't hide it. I don't want to lose control if I think I like it. Yeah, thank you. So I'm really excited to be here because here in Denver they created my childhood TV series, which is Dynasty. Do you remember Black and Crystal and Alexis? Okay, so I came here from Israel, which is 17 hours of flight, and I came here to show you how to create your dashboard plugin with React. And let's see the people in the audience. So how many front-end developers do we have here? Please raise your hand. Wow, most of you are back-end developers. Okay, so as you can see, I am a professional stylist superstar, and now for real, I'm over 12 years in the cloud sector for VMware and Nokia right now. I'm a UI tech leader in Nokia and core contributor for the Vitrage project, which is an Horizon plugin. And also I have a side project, which is my family. So let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was OpenStack Horizon, and they've created an AngularJS plugin so we can do some nice dashboards. And this time it was very nice, and we created the Vitrage dashboard. As you can see in the background, it has some topology, alarms, root cause analysis, some monitoring data, and entity graph. And this time was really cool because we have like the AngularJS features as scope, digest, and transclusion. And I've been participating in some NG conferences, and I've met Mishko Haverey, which is the father of AngularJS. So yeah, really, it was a really good time. But you know, time passes, 5 years, new technologies, new libraries came, new frameworks, and also some new brand baby came to world. But Horizon, it just got frozen. Horizon, let's call it Horizon. Okay, so at this point, I understand that we have a problem. And I go to Google, and I just typed how to resolve a big, really big critical problem in your life. And then I find something that I want to share with you. It's a really tip for life. So be with me. Do you have a problem in your life? No. Then why worry? Do you have a problem in your life? Yes. Can you do something about it? Yes. Then why worry? Do you have a problem in your life? Yes. Can you do something about it? No. Then why worry? Okay, so we understand the problem. We have the Horizon, and it still supports only the AngularJS framework, AngularJS version 1. Today we have version 8. So, okay, let's wait. Probably someone from this big community will resolve it for us, right? But we already waited for 5 years, and nobody did nothing yet. So at this point, I understand that I have to do something. So I just checked in the local JavaScript group that I have, and you don't know Hebrew, but you know the words plugin, Horizon, and OpenStack, and it's enough to understand. And also you can see that I've got no comments, and the only like I've got is from my friend Shai Reznik, which is the administrator of the group. Okay, so at this point, I understand that I have to do it. But as you can see, Nokia, I don't have time to do it because I have a lot of work to do. So I've created a team. I'm from Nokia, right? I know how to connect between people. That's what the logo said, right? So I have it probably in my blood, and I created this amazing team. So the first idiot up, this is me. And I have Ivan, the PTL from Horizon, from Mirantis, with the longest family name in the world that I saw. And also I have Noor Yamin from Exalt, which is a subcontractor for Nokia. So at this point, Noor should be here with me on the stage, but she couldn't. So I want to thank Noor very much. Everybody, please make noise to Noor. She made a lot of this project. Woo! Thank you. So this team had to be connected, everyone in another place. So we can connect by everything like Slack, WhatsApp, Outlook, or I don't know, Microsoft Team. But how is the Horizon OpenStack, how they are connected? Sorry, it's MIRC, IRC solution like Morse code, it's old-fashioned, but leave it. Finally, we've succeeded. We've succeeded to create a React application inside Horizon. And we find 3 solutions. Let's go over the steps. So the first one was a standalone application, only a Create React app versus the APIs of OpenStack. But that's what we didn't want it because we wanted it to be integrated in Horizon. So the second one was an Angular directive, the old Angular one, which is like wrapping the new React framework. But it was like, like scratching your ear this way, like old with new. Finally, we've got to a customized Horizon plugin with a customized Webpack. And as you can see in the demo, we will see now the React dashboard plugin. We can see some nice dashboard with a nice table, gauges, and charts. Also, all the data here, the data flow is with Mobix. You can do it also with Redux, any library that you can choose in package JSON, and you can create really nice dashboard in Horizon. Okay, so what we've just seen, we saw the Horizon based on Django, plus the React plugin, with some of the dependencies that I just mentioned. Also style components for the CSS. Okay, now, I want to introduce Ivan, which is the PTL of Horizon, and I've just met him yesterday, even though we are working for the last 3 months together, but this is the way of the community working. So, welcome Ivan, thank you.
Thank you, Alan. So my part won't be so fun and exciting like Alan's one, but I will talk about more technical stuff. I am Horizon PTL. I am OpenStack developer in Mirantis, and I'm working both on client side and backend. So, what is the current issue with OpenStack Horizon? It's old-style Django-based application, right? Mostly in Python. So we've got some JavaScript included. In time when Django started, nobody knows what is single-page application, modern frameworks, etc. So we as Python developers created some static packages to include JavaScript into Python to work with them. And we use JavaScript using script tags like nobody does in modern front-end development. So we try to fix all these issues and integrate modern single-page application on the newest frameworks into Horizon. We will talk about React, but the same way you can implement Horizon plugin using Vue.js, Angular 5, or so on. So it's the same solution, but different frameworks. So how did we do it? It's really easy. We just created React application and modified Webpack to create a bundle with 2 files. We need to have a JavaScript file with all your script included. It's your application, dependencies like React, Mobix, and so on. And of course you need some CSS file with your styles. You can use LESS, SAS, CSS in JS backend, but Webpack will build in CSS. And you no need to use Xstatic anymore. So, as web developers and front-end developers, you know what is Node.js, NPM packages. You just need to NPM install React, NPM install Wix, and everything will work. Unfortunately, you have to deal with backend in Python a bit more because Horizon based on Python, and you need to create Horizon plugin with few Python scripts, and this Python script will communicate with OpenStack APIs and provide API for your JavaScript application. This configuration provides you ability to use modern technologies for web frameworks, the latest libraries for like React, Vue, and so on. It provides better backend and front-end experience because for now it's really independent front-end and backend. Unfortunately, we did not do everything yet, but we've got a working POC with integration of React and Horizon. We are working on build automation and CI for this stuff. I'm pretty sure that our awesome infra team and Zul helped us a lot. We don't care about packaging anymore because we've got NPM packages. So we don't need to create Xstate for any JavaScript libraries you want to add. And that's all.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for tomorrow. Build your React plugin today. So we've created for you some repositories in GitHub so you can do it step by step. And good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you.